Darryl, Pine Acres. Here's a unit that we sold new. This is a 217 Sportsman 282. Very unique floor plan, 2 slides, only 5,700 pounds. Wait till you see the front bedroom in it.
Very unique unit. Front slide. Tons of space in here. Lots of counter space. This is unique. We don't get this very often. Nice little sort of bar stools and a table. Entertainment is opposite all of your seating. The bunks are nice and wide. Lots of room to store the kids' stuff up in there, or the grandkids. Bathroom, very much like any bathroom you'd see in a quad bunk. Come see this unit built by KZ at Pine Acres RV, Exit 11, Stewiacke, Nova Scotia.
Have you seen beyond the garden, dear? Let's go and step outside. Let's go and take a